Welcome back to the final part of our Devizes Camping and Caravan Club site trip. Actually, one of the main reasons to go to this place is the fact we're right next to the canal, and it is quite a feat how they managed to get that many locks producing that amount of water to go uphill. Quite a sight to see. And it is one of these places you really do have to visit this.
So we've decided not to do an hour walk to the car park and then another 40 minutes up into Devizes along the locks. This time we're going to drive to the car park, which is only a few minutes away, and then walk from there up the rest of the locks and into Devizes.
Now we know what the story's like with the British weather, and give it half an hour and it's fine and dandy. So we did know that the clouds would disappear and the sun would come out to play, but that won't stop us intrepid adventurers in need of a dog walk. Now, if you recall, I brought the caravan down a day early, didn't I? And on the way back, I booked into this pub for our Saturday night and Sunday meals. Never been in there before, just thought we'd give it a try.
However, we had a phone call on the Saturday to say their electrics had been sparked out by the storm, and therefore they couldn't cook for us on the Saturday night, which was a shame, but we completely understood their situation. However, we went there on the Sunday and had a fantastic roast.
Dog friendly, hasten to add.
Really dog friendly and people friendly too.
Yeah, look at this cockerel on top of this barge just here. But you can also see it's a cracking dog walk anyway, and look at all those locks still to come up there. Might be a bit windy up there. Are you talking, Jess? Are you talking? Yes. You are talking. You are talking.
It's nice to see this bit from the other side.
Yeah, that's where we launch, isn't it? Yeah.
Much quieter though, David.
Yeah, it's nicer not hearing a huge splash.
Oh, that's not very nice. I'm still learning on just because you can do it in one go. Apparently, this is just right, come on, up, inward. Just stand up. Well, we paddleboarded for a little bit.
87 miles this is.
We haven't walked 87 miles, we only did it in half an hour. So we're parked here where that car park is, pulled across and then all the way up. It says, "You are here." So that's us kind of in the middle of town now. Which is good. Time for a cup of tea, I think.
Yeah.
And we did find a nice dog-friendly cafe, and Fiona had something really interesting to eat. I think she was going through one of them phases.
It wasn't alien food, you know. It was a hummus and roasted vegetable bap.
It's February, yet these daffodils are about to pop. Look at the attention to detail with them ropes. Even on that one right there, look. Use your bell. Has that bike even got a bell?
And what about a little English heritage? Believe it or not, this is a Grade 2 listed building. Yeah, not over keen on the bridge.
Here we go, back in the car park. Here's one of these, but you're only paying £3 for the whole day. And just download the app, pay for that one. They do charge 20p extra for it if you haven't got the train to. There we go. What do you think of that then?
Yeah, I loved it. Thought it was really lovely.
If you want a few hours to kill and a bit of lunch,
Yeah.
bit of a dog walk.
It's what, 40 minutes up? 40 minutes maybe?
Yeah, thereabouts.
And then
Depends
from
on how
here-
much food you have, depends on how long it takes to get back.
yeah, it's downhill all the way. It's downhill coming back.
Yeah.
So it's good. Oh, lovely. Really lovely.
And today, peeps, we're in Frome.
Right.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's nice, it's nice. And the flea market definitely is dog friendly because I've seen someone going in there.
Oh, cool.
So let's go. Now I know Frome really well. This is Cheap Street, which is my favourite street, and it's well known for a certain feature. You'll see it in a minute. Lovely, quirky, independent shops, but also you can tell that it's been quite badly affected by the pandemic. So it's great to get back and support retailers in the town.
Then you get this shop, it's called Yeovil Tractors in Frome. Nothing to do with tractors though, it's a pet shop. Shall we go in? And yes, Jess gets spoiled. And then you get greeted with this. It's a fabulous little town. Is that lunch? Yes. I don't mind saying I'm going to be getting peckish fairly soon. And there's a ball. Just keeps going. Thankfully it's all downhill all the way back. Now here's the challenge. That says the best breakfast in Frome. I think that's got to be worth a try. Now I know the music's on, but...
And the place is really packed out.
And we got full English breakfast at, well, it's the right time of day. It's 11:30, so it's nearly lunchtime. Well, there we go. Fantastic. £5.99, and you get a cup of tea. And I've got an extra sausage for Jess.
One of the joys of caravan in is that we can...
Oh, you got it around the right way.
Yeah.
Well, morning all.
Morning.
We're actually doing something we've never done before. Leave early.
Just a little bit.
Because we're going to the caravan show of the NEC tomorrow. So yeah, we have to pack up today and get going.
Yep.
And it's a shame because all the blue skies out now, look.
Yeah, typical. So we're still quite muddy underfoot though. Someone got caught in the mud this morning, didn't they?
Oh yeah, somebody did, yeah. It rained quite heavily last night. And,
yeah.
But long enough for us to see a bit of dry spell this morning, get the awning down.
Ooh, and guess what? The show is sold out, but we've got tickets and we will look forward to sharing our rather alternative view of the show with you all. We're not going to show you the same things as everyone else, and no matter what he says, we're not doing the green thing next time. We're going to squeeze this one in.
So until next time, I don't know, am I doing some green stuff? Might be doing some green stuff next.
But that's it all from Devizes in 2022.